Hi, and welcome to our brief tutorial on how to register for the MaFLA Level Up Your Language Education Conference being held in Springfield, Massachusetts, October 24th through October 26th. Are you ready? Let's get you started with this quick overview and get you over to the website. To register for the conference, you just go to www.mafla.org and look for the Events and Conference tab under that. This year's annual fall conference offers something for everyone. Thursday, we have pre-conference 6 and 4-hour workshops, and Friday and Saturday, we have dozens of concurrent sessions, numerous workshops, coaching sessions that are new this year, roundtable discussions that are new this year, and events for language and pedagogy strands. Some important information before you register. The pre-conference registration and 4 and 6-hour workshops are not included in your Friday-Saturday registration. The 60-minute sessions are included in general conference registration price. 3-hour workshops, coaching sessions, and meals like the Friday buffet lunch, Saturday network breakfast buffet, and Saturday awards luncheon all require pre-registration and an additional fee. The 4 and 6-hour workshops on Thursday include meals. Now, let's get you to registration. Remember, you're going to register at the website www.mafla.org. Before you start, remember, you must be a current member. You need the email that you registered for membership with and a credit or debit card to pay for the registration online. And you need to register and pay for meals. If you need help with registration, you can email at us. Please remember, MaFLA cannot accept purchase orders. Now, we're going to walk you through registration from the main website, www.mafla.org. To find the Fall Conference event registration, you're going to go to Events, Conference 2019. On this part of the page, you'll find key information about the conference, schedule at a glance, frequently asked questions, etc., etc. So, now you can go to Registration is now open. Click here to register. This is going to bring you to our main page with all the information on it, from descriptions to adding the events to your calendar, etc., etc. You can scroll through and see all the activities that are listed that require pre-registration. Thursday pre-conference registration and all the separate workshops that will be running on Thursday, along with the coaching sessions. And here you can note any special dietary needs. We're going to do a mock registration with an email address. So if you scroll either all the way to the bottom or all the way back to the top, you'll be able to see the link that says to register. Click here. Here, you're going to enter your email address. The email address that I entered is not found in the database because this email is not my membership registration email. If you are attending the conference for the first time and you do not have an email address registered with MaFLA, you will simply click Continue here. Here, you can select your special dietary needs, or you can ignore this until later on in the registration process. Since I registered an email address that does not have my membership information on it, here is where I would choose to renew my membership. I'm going to continue and select my sessions. If I'm attending on Thursday, I'm going to select my Thursday session. Remember, this one requires you to register for the sessions that you will be attending. You must pay the fees for these separately, but meals are included in pre-conference registration. Here we have the Friday and Saturday conference registration sessions. These do not require registration for the 60-minute sessions. So I would just select Friday and Saturday conference if I'm attending both days, or individually Saturday only. Once I'm done selecting my sessions that I'm going to attend, for instance, I want to take Leslie Grand's Teachers Taking the Lead session on that Thursday, and I will not be registering for any individual workshops on Friday or on Saturday. I scroll down. I plan to eat both days with my colleagues, so I'm going to choose my Friday buffet, my Saturday networking breakfast buffet, and my Saturday awards luncheon. I do not have any special dietary needs, so I'll select that, and I will carry on with my registration. On this page, I'm going to fill in all of my personal information as it applies to me for moving forward with my conference registration. After this page, you would get to the page of payment, and finalize your payment and registration there. You would then receive an email from the website 123signup.com with all your registration information. If you change your mind about anything, or you need to add something like a meal or a workshop that you're interested in, simply go back to the website, click on registration is open, and it'll bring you to this main registration page. It'll ask you for change. Here, you can enter the email which you registered your membership with and go back to the sessions that you registered for and make any changes on that website there. We hope you found this helpful, and remember, if you need any help, email us at membership@mafla.org. We can't wait to see you in October.